Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Pi Network app and verifying you're logged into the correct account. You need two-factor access and the latest app version. Once done, check the username availability tool or draft a short list of alternatives. Make sure you understand Pi's username rules, format, length, permitted characters, because that determines whether a change will be accepted. This first step prevents wasted attempts and keeps your identity consistent before you move to the actual edit. You now go directly into Profile, then Settings, and choose Edit Username. Type your new handle and use the app's availability checker. If it's taken, cycle through alternatives until you find an available option. Once the app accepts the name, tap Save and follow any verification prompts. These might include re-entering your password or confirming via 2FA. Take your time here because some apps enforce cooldowns or limits. Make sure you confirm fully before exiting the screen. After saving, verify the new username appears on your profile and in any referral links. Refresh or relaunch the app to confirm propagation. If the change doesn't show immediately, log out and back in, clear cache, or wait a short propagation window. If you hit a block or an error, like cooldown limits or unexpected validation failure, take screenshots, record error text, and contact Pi support directly with your account details. This speeds resolution and helps override accidental.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.